In this video, I will show you how you can transfer your secure folder from your old Samsung phone to your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now before we start, just make sure that both of your Samsung phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now if I open the app drawer on my Samsung phone and if I search secure folder, as you can see we did not set up secure folder on our Galaxy S26. But if I open the app drawer and if I search secure folder on my old Samsung phone, as you can see this is the secure folder. Now to move the secure folder from my old Samsung phone to my new Galaxy S26, first of all, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store on both devices. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install the Samsung Smart Switch app on both devices. As you can see, this app is already installed on both devices, so just tap on open. Now since we are transferring the secure folder from our old Samsung phone, so I'll select send from this phone, and on the Galaxy S26, just select receive on this phone. Now just select Galaxy or Android phone from here. Now on your Galaxy S26, this QR code will appear on the screen. Using your old Samsung phone, just scan this QR code. Now after you scan the QR code, it will take a few seconds for your old Samsung phone to pair with your new Galaxy S26. Now once the phones are paired, on your Galaxy S26, just scroll down and select Custom. Then tap on Next. Now from here, just scroll down and in front of Apps, just tap on this arrow icon. Now from here, just tap on All and do not select anything. At the top of the screen, just select Secure Folder. But if you want to transfer specific data from the secure folder to your Galaxy S26, in front of the secure folder, just tap on the arrow icon, and from here, just select the specific data which you want to transfer from your old secure folder to your Galaxy S26. I'll select all of them. As you can see, all these settings and apps are already selected, so I'll keep them as default. Now, after you select the secure folder, then just tap on Done. And from here, just scroll down and tap on Transfer. Now it will take a few seconds to a few minutes to transfer your data from your old Samsung phone to your Galaxy S26. Once the data transferring process is completed, then just tap on Done and tap on Next and select Unlock. Then just tap on More and tap on Continue. Then just tap on More and select Continue. Now from here, just select a lock method for your secure folder. I'll select the PIN. Now from here, just create a PIN which must consist of at least 4 digits. Then tap on Continue and select Use Anyway. And just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Then tap on Done. Then just select Allow, then tap on Next. Tap on More and tap on Done. Tap on Done. As you can see, we have successfully transferred our secure folder from our old Samsung phone to our Galaxy S26. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.